nine 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 999999999 multiplied by 9999999. Yo, I ain't finished. You don't know what I was going to say. 998999999.88899889 99999999999.
The answer is yes.
The most powerful computer in the world today does 36 trillion operations a second.
So would it be able to multiply 10, 10, 10, 10, 10? Check it, I was here with Steve Nash. So, you was last season's most valuable player, or as it's called, the MP3. What was that like?
No, I was the MVP.
MP3.
Not the, no, I wasn't.
You was the MP3?
No, I wasn't.
No disrespect, but you as Canadians, you don't even speak English, so shut up.
No, we speak English in Canada.
I don't waste my time.
Whatever you say.
Can't understand what you're saying, you're
Right.
speaking in Canada.
Wicked. I is here with Rick Searforth. Him is a NASA astronaut, went on the space shuttle a few times, and was actually the commander of the space shuttle. What's the longest you've been in space?
My longest space mission was my last one, and it was 16 days on board the space shuttle.
16 days? How did you hold your breath for that long?
You don't need to hold your breath in the space shuttle.
How does you make countries do stuff you want?
Well, the way you deal with countries in foreign policy, on foreign policy issues, I think that's what you're asking me.
No doubt.
Is you deal with carrots and sticks.
But what country is gonna want carrots, even if there is like 1 million tons of carrots that you was giving over there?
Well, carrots, I'm not using that term literally. You might offer foreign aid to money, okay, money.
Money is better than carrots. Even if a country love carrots and that is like the favorite national food, if they get given like billions of tons...
Don't get hung up on carrots, that's just a figure of speech.
Welcome to Mount Vernon.
Yo, respect.
Good to see you.
Safe.
Washington lived here for about 40 years, so this is very much a reflection of his personality.
So does Denzel Washington still live here?
Denzel?
For real?
No, Denzel Washington's a different Washington family. And I really can't tell you a lot about his background.
Yo, he's a brother, innit? Was the other one a brother?
Was the other one a brother? I don't think so, no.
Boom, selector. Check it. Today we is chatting about medical ethics. Let's talk about doctors. Does they have the right to end old people's lives?
That's euthanasia.
Why is it the responsibility of the euthanasia for killing someone else? Surely it's between that patient and the doctor.
Euthanasia is the term that's used when you are killing. It's a nice word for killing.
Well, whatever. You were saying that it's mainly Asian youths that
No.